Hello and welcome to my channel where I do daily Bitcoin technical analysis every day, Monday to Friday, analyze price action and prepare setups for day trading. So weekly candle looking very strong. I wouldn't be surprised if we get another like 10% move to tap into this candle from here, and I think it's more likely that we keep going up now than reversing. No signs of reversal yet. Daily as well, we had a range, we tried to break out, we tried to break down, and now the real move is starting. We got some backtest yesterday as well, so today should be breaking out from what I'm seeing. So let's see what I had projected yesterday. I made a video around here at the bottom, and I was saying that this is not tradable long for me because we had some bearish absorption. I was exercising patience at that point. A good support for a bounce would be point of control here, or taking out 43k, which I was waiting for. I'm still waiting for 43k, but if we keep moving up, I don't mind, it's okay. I'm just not looking for any longs. I don't care if we move up 10%. I'm just trading my strategy as always. No FOMO. So, and for shorts, the best short opportunity was on this point of control and golden pocket. So I got a trade yesterday. I will show you exactly how it played out. So first of all, to the dollar, bounced 2% down, almost 2%. So I traded this, and I was thinking, yeah, happy days, we go down because it was a fast move up, and then we need to recover at least here to 45 to 50, more or less. I was expecting to take these lows. We got around 2. So what I usually do is, after a decent move, I put my stop on entry, and I got stopped out on entry. Then another swing failure right here. I was thinking resistance is still resistance, so why not? I will always take aggressive swing failure trades. So I took the swing failure and I took it down. It went down over 4%, but I had like half of my position open. I didn't open full position aggressively here, and I got like 3% move down, and that was 1.5% profit for me. So it was a really nice profitable day for me. Projected a short and it played out exactly as I wanted. So what's happening later? We get the ETF news. ETF got approved and price starts moving up. Now I don't know how to trade this ETF. Like, if we don't reverse fully from this failed auction, plus we get a nice good high, if we don't reverse here, then Bitcoin is quite strong. So no reason to believe we are going down. It was looking like a good high here. It was a good high. We didn't reverse completely, so we assume Bitcoin is bullish, moving higher. And it is what it is. We don't need to wait for big moves. So let's check ATAS to get some more perspective, to build some bias. Let me just change something here. Okay. So ETF gets approved, price is going up, people are longing, and when people start buying, price reverses. When people start selling, price reverses. It's simple as that. But this is how a range is played. So at some point the range is gonna break, and it doesn't mean that resistance is not resistance anymore. Resistance is still resistance. We see some absorption on range highs here, but when range breaks, you cannot really predict when it's gonna happen because it's always lower probability. You could say range is gonna break on this move, range is gonna break on this move, break, 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 but all it does is just ranging. And now again, ETF gets approved, range will break 100% probability. No, it's not 100%, it just reverses. And then, oh, this was a fake out. ETF news is bearish, not bullish. And no, it's not bearish, it reverses back up when people start selling. The volume is high, so I'm assuming that a big move is gonna happen soon. I'm not trading shorts, I'm not trading longs at the moment. From seeing this, there is a lot of buying activity and buyers are easily pushing price up. For sellers, it was much harder to push price down. So if we compare CVD on this point, it was 96 million, and at this point 55 million. So people had to sell 40 million more Bitcoin, and price cannot even go lower. It's making a higher low. If you sell 40 million more, why is price holding up? Because limit orders are absorbing the sells. They're holding the price. So selling activity is much stronger than buying activity at this point, but price is making a higher low. This, just use your head. This is common sense. There is good support, and support is better than resistance. So we are bullish, and at this moment you need to sell to buy like 10 million, and price moves $100. There is strong resistance as well. So strong support, strong resistance. At some point it's gonna break out, probably today, because it's looking good on higher time frames, and this looks like 1, 2, 3 taps down. It's like a bull flag action. You backtest and then you fly. Yeah, so it's probably happening, but of course I cannot buy resistance. If I was here in the morning, if I was up, this was so easy to buy. Just buy anywhere here, like such a strong support. But now, after the ETF news, I'm thinking it's a bit too risky probably to just open a trade, and I need to watch what happens. Probably take a day off. So we have an uptrend situation where VWAP can be a good bounce, daily open, where we can come back. Yeah, so there is not that much information here. We are at the highs. I'm not interested in shorting resistance at this point. About longs, I don't even think at the moment. 46,500 big support, and 47. So we got the retail levels with the highest volume. Retail levels are 47,000, 46,500, 46,000. So whole and half numbers. These are retail numbers. And these are the levels we use in price discovery, where we don't have anything decent. Like this was point of control plus golden pocket. This is a proper technical analysis level. When we place 47,000, this is not really proper technical analysis. This is just for sentiment. So what do we have today? What is the easiest thing I can plan? Shorting resistance before taking the highs. It could work out, but I'm not interested really. I want to see how this ETF plays out. Like for sure we are recovering this move, for sure. And then what happens? Or what if we go up and then we recover this move? What can price do before it does what I think it will do? And what if we don't recover and we just go 10% up? This is really difficult today. And probably it's a good time to take a day off. We don't need to catch anything. The plan for longs, 43k for me. So I should be targeting 43k. How am I targeting 43k? We look for shorts at the range highs. Good local opportunities. Is this a good local opportunity? It is an opportunity, but you see how 1 hour candle has no wick. This is how retraces look. When hour starts, like every session, every day, every week we test both sides. So same we can do with candles as well. 1 hour candle started and there is no wick. And this is just testing the downside before going higher. It's like a trap and then we go higher. So price action is bullish, order flow neutral, higher time frame bias could be breaking out, but I'm looking for 43k. So I'm looking for shorts above 43k. 48,200, this is the level from the past, the previous high. And we have naked points of control, monthly one, 48,700 and 49k daily naked point of control. And above that, no levels. Let me just check another thing. We had a monthly level 45,500, that's interesting. Okay, I need to check another thing. We have a yearly level. Let's see how the yearly plays out. Nice! This is where the pump started, the yearly level. Support, resistance, chop chop, try to support, lose it. This is a big one. So we might get more chop around this. Yeah, but I'm assuming we go higher. So how do we trade this? We will get a lot of volume to the upside. And the short is gonna be, let's say we go up, the moment we come back down below, start closing some candles here, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute candles here. You can enter short, add to the short on losing daily open. So this is entry 1, entry 2. If we consolidate and it's not a V shape, like if we go up, we consolidate, do some kind of bull flag, like this is no support, no resistance, no support. If we start finding some support, wait for another move up to take out the high. This is opportunity 1, and then losing the range, opportunity number 2, and then losing daily open, opportunity number 3. Entry, I mean, not opportunity. So this is how I'm planning to play my short. And for long, I'm not interested in longs, whatever happens. Like I'm waiting for 43k. If we fly to 60, 70k, okay, I don't mind. I would long something like if we break, do this, do swing failure, and then come back down, do another swing failure of the lows, and then this is a long opportunity. Or if we break out, we consolidate and take out the low. This could be a long opportunity number 1, and this is take profit and switch short. I am interested in longing swing failure.